Hey guys, my name is Janet and this is AFI's DIYs. In today's episode, we'll be making body butter. This product uses a mixture of natural oils and emollients that lock moisture into the skin. Once applied, the butter melts into a soothing lotion and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Let's look at the recipe. For supplies, you'll need a double boiler with a glass bowl, hot plate, a spatula, a whisk or fork, a pipette, a sealable container for packaging. We'll be making about 15 ounces of body butter, for which you'll need 31.7% or 4.7 ounces of shea butter, 20% or 3 ounces of Weka M, 32% or 4.8 ounces of Stepan mild GCC, 12% or 1.8 ounces of isopropyl myristate IPM, 4% or 0.6 ounces of jojoba oil, 0.05% or 0.0075 ounces of butylated hydroxytoluene, BHT, 0.25% or 1.1 milliliters of fragrance. My favorite part of any DIY is picking the fragrance. To make this body butter smell as good as it feels, I went to the AFI library and grabbed oatmeal milk and honey. Oh, wow. This will go perfectly with the moisturizing ingredients in this formula. Always double check to make sure your chosen fragrance is IFRA approved to be skin safe, just like the one we are using. Now that we have a fragrance, let's put on our rubber gloves and goggles. The final product will be safe to apply to the skin, but it's still important to take precautions when working with raw materials. Great, now we're ready to get started. First, prepare your double boiler by turning it on to medium to low heat. Add the shea butter, Weka M, Stepan mild GCC, isopropyl myristate, jojoba oil, butylated hydroxytoluene into your double boiler. Stir until all ingredients are completely melted and homogeneous. Next, remove the mixture from heat, add the fragrance, and allow it to cool to a solid state. If you'd like to speed up the process, you can place it in a refrigerator. Once the butter has set, whip it into a soft paste using a whisk or fork. Transfer into a sealable jar for packaging and allow it to cool to completion overnight. Once it's cooled, the body butter is ready to go. To use, scoop a little bit of butter using a spoon and rub it between your hands to melt it. Apply it to the skin, focusing on areas that need deep moisturization, such as the elbows, wrists, knees, and ankles. This DIY costs us about $3 to make. It can be sold wholesale for $6 to $8 and retail for $10 to $12. Did you enjoy this project? It totally reminds me of our DIY bath oils, which would pair great in a product line together. Check them out on our channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. We hope you stick around for more content just like this. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, as well as hit that bell icon and become a member of our notification squad. I'm Janet, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.